Did you know that one of the easiest ways for you to recreate your database from scratch is to having its schema? And one of the easiest ways for you to have its schema is to ask ChatGPT with the Backfrap plugin for ChatGPT enabled to retrieve it for you. Hi, I'm Alex, the architect from Backfrap, and today I'll show you how to do that. So here I am at my Backfrap account where I have the SAP 500 app that I created, and I have my stock class with a few properties that I enumerated in previous videos. And if I want to recreate this database in another app, using its schema is the easiest way to go. And to get this schema, one of the easiest ways to do it is to ask the Backfrap plugin for ChatGPT. So here I am at ChatGPT, where I'm going to ask the Backfrap plugin to retrieve the schema for me. So from my S&P 500 app in Backfrap, retrieve the schema for the stock class. There you go, my schema is now retrieved, and now I can ask ChatGPT to create a Node.js program or any other language that you prefer to create the schema for me, so I don't have to manually run it. So, please create a Node.js program that uses this schema to recreate the class. And there you go. Now, if I want to recreate this exact structure within other app, or perhaps clone this or reset the database and re-implement it, all I have to do is to run this piece of code into my console, and the database will be recreated containing all the properties in the correct types for the stock class. So, if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so it can help us grow. I'll also share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you're already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave in the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.